Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you enjoy these sunset here in Chandler, Arizona. I want to thank you for your continued support, and this will be the final video for the backup camera. I'll have more radio stuff come up in the future, but stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you guys around. Enjoy. So that signal wire off the RCA, as you can see, it comes back up here, and you're going to run that to the little one right there that says back. Now in some radios this might say reverse, this might say camera, but in this case it says back. Okay, so back to the hatch area. Last time I showed you how to get the camera installed up there and kind of how to route some of these wires. So now the next piece is going to be this guy right here, which was bundled up and we put to the side until we were ready for this part. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the red wire from the RCA. Try to see if I can show you it. It's really hard to see, but it comes off of the yellow RCA right here. You're going to go ahead and connect that to the red and black wire, specifically to the red only. Then the black will go ahead to ground, and if you follow it, the other end of it plugs right into this piece. Now if you want to, cut this down just so you can put power right there and immediately ground it, you could do that. I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going to bundle up the slack and we'll go from there. Hey guys, so let me explain this. I know I'm very terrible at drawing, I apologize, but let me give you a basic understanding of what's going on if you don't follow. So, three things we're going to look at. You're going to have the radio here. This is supposed to be the tail light, and then this is the backup camera. So up front, you have your radio, and you have your main harness, but off the main harness there's a wire that's labeled back. That's the one I showed you. And you're going to go ahead and connect that to the little red trigger wire on the RCA. And obviously the RCA will connect to the RCA connector on your radio. Now this long RCA cable, this is the one that stretches from by the radio all the way to the rear by the backup camera. And you're going to go ahead and run this up to the RCA for the camera. And the RCA setup for the camera is it splits off in a Y. So you have here the camera, and then you have a power unit. So the power unit will be a RCA looking cable, but it will be red, and it's going to connect to a black RCA looking cable. And the negative side of that cable, you go ahead and ground that. But I want you to go ahead and take this power cable and you're going to reconnect that to the other side of the trigger wire on the RCA. Now that will provide camera and video for the camera, but we're going to tap into the reverse light about towards the end, right here on the RCA cable. So on the XB of mine, right on the left-hand side by the headliner is where I have another cable that splices into the trigger wire in the main harness for the RCA. And it will go ahead and run that to my reverse bulb, so as soon as I put it in reverse, it triggers the whole system and you have video that comes out and everything. But this is a very basic understanding. I will leave a link to another video in the description from a gentleman who explained it perfectly. He just has all the equipment out on a bench and it makes it really easy to follow, but this is what I just drew up for you guys. Hope this helps. And since I'm doing a rear wiper delete, I have a little cubby hole now I can stuff things in, which is right here. We go ahead and stuff all the wiring in there, and now let's go ahead and put the cover back on. And once you have the cover back on, go ahead and shut it. There it is. Boom! Backup camera. Hey, you made it this far. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day and stay safe.